welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add categories of your product on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your myshopify.com and log into your admin. Once you log into the admin, this is where you will get. I'll show you how to add the categories for a product. For that, you will have to go to the product section right here. In products, you can see we have inventory, transfers, and collection. Collection or category is the same thing. We can create a collection by just clicking right here. And now I can create a category or a collection of product on my Shopify store. So I will be creating a new category for winter. For description, it's going to be winter clothes, let's say. Then we have to select the collection type if it's going to be automated, where existing and future products that match the condition you set will automatically be added, or we can go with manual where we will have to add a product one by one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select automated, and the condition is going to be the product title, and it should contain winter. So any product with the word winter in it will be added to this collection right here. So you can see we have like a winter hoodie already created. This is what it will look like. Once you're done, you will just click on save and your new collection will be created. You can see this is my new collection, my new category, and it has one product. We can add more than one product by just clicking right here. Click on add product and you will be able to do so. You can also add a collection image, of course. Then we can select the template. You can select the collection availability on your online store and other integrations that you have added. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.